Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Quest 2. First, ensure your personal computer meets the minimum specifications for virtual reality, including a capable processor and a suitable graphics card. You will also need to download and install the Oculus desktop application onto your computer. This software is essential for your Quest 2 headset to communicate with your personal computer effectively. Preparing these components is the initial step for an immersive Roblox experience. Once your computer is ready, you can choose between a wireless or wired connection. For AirLink, ensure your computer is connected to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network and your headset is on the same network. Navigate to your Quest 2's settings, then Experimental Features, and activate AirLink. Alternatively, plug a USB 3 cable from your Quest 2 into a compatible port on your computer. The Oculus application on your computer should then recognize your headset. With your Quest 2 connected, whether by AirLink or cable, you can now launch Roblox. Open the Oculus desktop application and confirm that your headset is active and showing a connection. Then, simply open the Roblox Player application on your personal computer as you normally would. Many Roblox games are designed to seamlessly detect and adapt to a virtual reality environment when launched through your Quest 2, offering a unique perspective. To enhance your Roblox virtual reality experience, consider a few tips. Keep your computer's operating system and graphics drivers up to date for optimal performance. If using AirLink, try to be within 15 feet of your Wi-Fi router for the best signal strength. Reducing the in-game graphics settings within Roblox can also significantly improve frame rates and reduce latency, providing a much smoother and more enjoyable experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.